The human body is an intricate and complex system that is subject to wear and tear over time. One of the factors that determine our biological age is the length of our telomeres, which are the protective caps on the ends of our chromosomes. With each cell division, telomeres gradually shorten until the cells can no longer divide and eventually age. However, there are certain measures that can help slow down this process and even lengthen your telomeres. So, what exactly are telomeres? They are the protective end caps on our chromosomes, made up of DNA units called base pairs. Newborns typically have telomeres that are around 10,000 base pairs long, while a 40-year-old's telomeres are about 1/3 shorter. And a person over 60 may have telomeres that are only half the length they were at birth. This is because telomeres shorten by about 30 to 200 base pairs with each cell division. If you're looking to maintain your biological youthfulness, here are some tips that could help. Number 1. Quit smoking. Smoking is a major risk factor for telomere shortening, which can have negative effects on the health of our cells. In fact, studies have found that smoking can shorten telomeres by as much as 4.6 years, making it one of the most damaging habits for our telomeres. Therefore, quitting smoking is one of the most important steps you can take to preserve the length of your telomeres and maintain your biological youthfulness. Number 2. Reduce stress. Chronic stress has been linked to shorter telomeres, as it increases inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. To reduce stress, try mindfulness exercises like deep breathing, yoga, or meditation. You can also try spending time in nature, practicing gratitude, or engaging in a hobby you enjoy. Number 3. Exercise regularly. Aerobic exercise has been shown to help preserve telomere length, as it reduces inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, such as brisk walking, running, cycling, or swimming, on most days of the week. Resistance training, such as weightlifting, can also be beneficial for preserving muscle mass and overall health. Number 4. Get enough sleep. Sleep is crucial for the health of our cells, as it allows our bodies to repair and regenerate. Studies have found that people who get less than 7 hours of sleep per night have shorter telomeres than those who get more sleep. To improve the quality of your sleep, try establishing a regular sleep schedule, avoiding screens before bedtime, and creating a relaxing sleep environment. Number 5. Lose weight. Excess body weight, especially around the waist, has been linked to shorter telomeres. To maintain a healthy weight, aim for a balanced diet that is rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. You can also try reducing your portion sizes, avoiding sugary and processed foods, and limiting your alcohol intake. Number 6. Eat a healthy diet. A diet that is rich in nutrients and antioxidants can help protect your telomeres from damage. Aim to eat plenty of fruits and vegetables, which are high in antioxidants like vitamin C, beta-carotene, and flavonoids. Some of the best anti-inflammatory foods to include in your diet are blueberries, apples, broccoli, tomatoes, and onions. You can also try incorporating more omega-3 fatty acids into your diet by eating fatty fish, nuts, and leafy greens. Thank you for watching this video on how to improve your health and keep your telomeres long. I hope you found the information useful and informative. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content on healthy living. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, so take care of yourself and your telomeres. As always, stay healthy and stay happy.